Bonjour à tous, salut tout le monde, moi c'est Adèle from Ace French and I'm here to help you become an ace at French. If you like what I'm doing and you want to support me a bit, don't forget to follow me on the social media and to subscribe to my channel, it helps a lot. Today, we keep on talking about the 5 most difficult parts of learning French, and today's topic is the order and the relationship of the words within a French sentence. C'est parti, on y va! A first thing that is really important to understand if you want to come up with beautiful French sentences, it's to never forget your subject before your verb. In many other languages, it's not always really necessary to have a subject before a verb. For instance, if you pick Japanese language and the verb wakaru, to understand, comprendre, you can decline it, wakarimasu, wakarimasen, etc. But you don't really put the subject before it, you just say it like that. It's actually the same in Spanish. Quiero, quieres, quiere. You don't say yo quiero, tú quieres, etc. You just use the conjugated form of your verb and it's enough. In French, it's not the case, it's really stricter. Never forget your subject before your verb. I like giving an image to my students to help you remember that. You can think of the subject like a queen in the sentence. The queen, very present, very important, and likes giving orders to the verb that I'm calling the officer. The officer is a little bit lost without his queen's information, his queen's direction. You need the queen to command an officer, like you need a subject to conjugate a verb. So maybe this little metaphor here can help you remember. Another very important relationship to understand in the French sentences is that you always need an article before a noun. When I say always, I think if you started studying French language, you know that we have room for exceptions, so it's maybe for 90 to 95% of situations, but it's a very good basic to remember. An article before a noun. Let me have Marcel, my friend, maybe you know him, to help me give you good examples here. Bien Marcel, come on here.
Bonjour.
Marcel, voici Marcel. Marcel est un diable. Marcel est un diable. Marcel is a devil. I think you can see that. And in this sentence, Marcel est un diable, I used un, a, before the noun diable, devil. So you're gonna tell me, yes, it's the same like in English, no new thing here. Okay, but in another sentence, like Marcel aime les blagues, Marcel aime les blagues, Marcel loves jokes. Here you see we have les, the article, before blague, the noun, and in English you just say jokes. So there is a big difference here. We really need our les before blague, otherwise it doesn't sound right at all in French. And you will see that it happens in many situations. Now I want to talk about adjectives. By the way, do you know what an adjective is, guys? For those who don't, an adjective is a word we add to give extra information about nouns. Adjective, adding information. Maybe you can remember that. So in French, the adjectives are mostly located after the noun. It's not the case in all languages, right? I'm gonna need Marcel again to help me with an example. Marcel a des cornes blanches. Marcel a des cornes blanches. Marcel has white horns. You see, cornes blanches and not blanche corne. It's the opposite as English here. If I want to be fully honest with you guys, actually there are some adjectives that we also put before the nouns. These ones are the subjective adjectives. What do I mean by subjective? It's the adjectives that actually convey your perspective, your viewpoint, your opinion on the noun you're describing. For instance, Marcel est un gentil diable. Marcel est un gentil diable. Marcel is a nice devil. He's actually nice to me. This is my opinion on Marcel. But I can tell you that he can be very bad with other people. So someone else would probably use another adjective to describe Marcel. This is why I put gentil before my noun, because it's subjective, it's my opinion. It's not as objective as blanche for the horns, white. Everyone can say it's white, but not anyone can say that he's nice actually. Et voilà, fin de la vidéo pour aujourd'hui. Here it is, end of the video for today. I hope I was helpful. And don't forget, your subject before your verb, your article before your noun. Think of the right location for your adjective. Now it's your turn to practice. Try your own sentence in the comments. Let me know how useful I was. I hope I was at least a little bit useful. Keep up with the good work, guys. Good luck with everything, and you are going definitely to become an ace at French.